Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Pasquini 90 espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up, and we also had to replace the pump. The pump, because as you can see over here, is rusted on the bottom. Also the pump is from 2006, so it's definitely on its way out. We replaced the hose that is connected to the water tank. We had the machine running without the case as well while we were doing the descaling and the tune-up of this machine, because this machine definitely needed a tune-up. You can see right here, let me show it to you. This is the condition of the brew head before we actually work on it. This is when we took the shower screen is right there, and this is the shower screen itself. As you can see, completely clogged with coffee. Really bad condition. It was barely spraying. I had to remove this head over here from the top of the machine as well, and physically go in there and unclog some of the holes of the shower head in here. So yeah, it was in really bad condition. We cleaned everything. We replaced the shower screen. This one that you see right here is the older one. You can still see that big piece of coffee, as well as all the coffee that is stuck in there. This is what remains of the gasket. The gasket basically disintegrated and it just needed to be replaced. We descaled this machine, steam one, hot water, as well as the easy heat exchanger of the machine, and as you can see, we have a nice steady stream coming out through the group head. So now we're gonna be doing a shot of espresso, and then we're gonna be doing some steam and then some hot water. And unfortunately, I tampered very hard on this shot, so we're just gonna see it barely dripping coming out through the spout. We don't see any water coming out through this portafilter, so that is a good sign. There's a good seal coming out through there. But like I said, we will not be able to see a nice coffee coming out through the espresso shot as I tampered very hard. We're gonna see a little drop coming out through there, and it will slowly fill up to the bottom. Hopefully we can get a little bit of crema. There you go. Now that is channeling much better. We're gonna see a bit better flow. Good. On the very long side, well, we still got a little bit of crema. Like I say, I did tamper very hard. You can see it through here. It's very fine. But we do have an excellent flow coming out through the group head. Everything there is completely unclogged, and everything there is very clean. Steam for this machine, very strong, excellent steam coming out through the one, excellent temperature, excellent steam. And for hot water, as you can see, nice flow coming out through the one, working excellent. So there you have it, Pasquini 90 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.